Now next thing, we are making the same sketch we made yesterday. You have already made this room that is 20 inch, 20 centimeter by 14 centimeter. So what was in that room? From one side we had a washroom. What was the size of the washroom? Can you tell me? It was 6 inch, right? It was 6 feet. So here they are 6 centimeters. So I am going to put here 6 centimeters, and I am going to put this way 6 centimeter again. Sorry. Okay. And I am just going to draw a straight line from here to here. Okay. I'm just going to make this one. And okay. Here is a straight line. Okay. Alright. Okay. So what was the other thing? We wanted 6 feet this way, and we want 8 feet, let's say, this way. Okay. So I am going to put a mark here on 8 feet. And here 8 feet again. Okay. So we have made our washroom here. Okay. Alright. We are just going to, according to the scale, okay? I'm just going to make a way here. This is our dressing room. So this dressing room is now 6 feet like this. Okay. And I want a cupboard here. That cupboard is 2 feet. That cupboard is 2 feet. I'm just going to put the mark here on 2 feet. Another mark here on 2 feet again. And this is my cupboard. Alright? In the dressing room. Okay? This is my cupboard. And this is my washroom. Alright? So what else we have here? On this side we had a 4 feet window. What we had? A 4 feet window. Okay? I will put a window right here. Okay? What else we have here? We have a bed 6 feet. No, on this side. Okay? We have a bed 6 feet. From this window, in 6 feet, we have a bed. Okay? So, from here, it was 4 feet window. And at 6 feet, that okay. So I am going to draw a line for bed, but I don't want to draw whole line. But I am going to put my marker or my pencil in the points in the marking I have made. I I'm just going to put like this, okay, and another one on the other side, okay, and this bed was 6 feet by 6 feet, marking over 6 feet here, marking over 6 feet here, this is my bed, okay. You got the idea? Okay. What was next to bed? What was next to bed? How much space do I have after the bed? I should have 4 feet. And it is about 4 feet. Okay? And I am just going to put a mark at 2 feet. For the cupboard in the room. Okay? And I can put a mark here as well for 2 feet. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a 6-foot cupboard almost. Okay, so this is cupboard. So this was my bedroom. Okay, this is another cupboard. Okay, now what about the doors? So from this point I am just leaving 6 inch or half feet. Okay, so my door is 3.5 feet. So I'm just going to draw a line on 3.5 feet like that. On this way, sorry, because the door is going to open on this side. Okay, I can use a like this to make this is how the architects make a door. Okay. Okay, what else is there? What else was in our? There was another door here. Okay, this door is 2.5 feet. How much? 2.5 feet. So point over here and 2.5 feet from here. I'm going to use this one again. Yes. Okay, we got all the things.